Hello guys, good day. Welcome to another monthly catch-up, season 2, section 23. So this month we have a lot of things to do. I'm actually starting this vlog from the new studio. So I'll be showing you a little bit of the studio once we start. I have a lot of work to do this month and things to run, including traveling, but the traveling I might not show it because it's a special event I'm going for, not related to back but related to other business I own and other work I do. So this is our new shop here. You guys will see everything the way it is. So guys, thank you for being here. For those of you who are new to the channel, use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. Share this video with people who might be of help to them, people that want to learn bag making, people that are interested in bag making. Share this video with them so that they learn something from this channel. And for those of you who are interested in the online training, it's pretty much available now. We make it much easier for you now. We will be using YouTube platform to be utilizing YouTube platform in such a way that the video will be private. Once you subscribe for the class or you apply for the class, we will send the link to you or we will add you to the chats, to the group, so you have access to the video. I do this so it will be much easier for you to access the video, and anytime you want you can go back, or you can always come back to watch the video and even download it to your phone and watch. So make sure, if you want that, my WhatsApp will be linked in the description. You should chat with me, send me a DM. If you send a DM on this video, we'll reply to you, but it's for you to send a DM on WhatsApp, it's more reliable. We can track the chatting and know where we end, where we start, and from there we can take it up and teach you whatever you want. So guys, I will see you at the continuation of the video. Thank you for being here and welcome to another beautiful year. See you at the other side. So guys, we've been here now for a few months. This is one of the first vlog I'll be doing here at the new studio, one of the monthly catch-up. I'm not doing the introduction of this yet now. I will do it later because I think I stopped at episode 23, right? I can't really remember, but once I do the introduction, you guys will see what I mean. So we are at the workshop. I've been here now for the past close to 3 months. We've been working. I made some projects. If you follow us on Instagram, you see the new post. The project I post there was made from the shop, and one of the things I even focus on presently now, before we start working fully, is making our caps. If you check here, those are our caps there. All this one are newly made. Those one up there are freshly made. So that's one of the things we are doing at the workshop. But right now, let me turn this camera so I can show you just more of it. But I think before you watch this, you would have watched the making of the workshop now, but it's going to be in portrait. But later on, we'll show you everything in landscape because I film it in portrait. Initially, I made it for Instagram. I didn't remember to make for YouTube, but since we are here, I will post it here so you guys see. So let me turn the camera and show you a little bit of the workshop, of the studio. Beautiful, right? Yeah. So that's everything you guys need to see. So see, this is the cap I was showing you before. It belongs to a client. I will be taking it home tonight. Then tomorrow I will give it to them. It's already late now. So these are the cap I say we just make freshly made, and the rest are packaged there because now we are in Harmattan, the dry season, and it's a little bit dusty. These new bags too, actually we started it at the old shop, the old studio. We make the gummy, we did the gummy and the rest, so but everything was sewn here. We still have more that I have to bring to here to work on. So what do we make? Okay, we make some bag that we made. I'm supposed to make 2. So the one we make for the client to send it, I cut most 2 of the bags. So this is one of the strap I made. So this is just it so far. Actually we didn't bring anything from the other shop. Everything was freshly made here. What we did is just to bring few machine to the workshop. So That's just it. But here is still under development. Later on, we have everything fully, or at least we start training and people are learning here. So enough talking, enough showing you guys. I will continue anywhere we stop for this monthly catch up. Make sure. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch up. So this morning I'm at the old studio. I need this particular gum stain, this color gum stain we use in making cap, to make some cap at the other studio, the new studio. So I just like cut from what we have here. We've not fully stocked the other side here, and I also picked some fabrics here. I have some few cap to make, so instead of me to go to the market, I don't want to go to the market this morning, so I just pick from the store, from the one we have here, and I'll be going to the other shop this and work on it. So right now, okay, this is just what I'm picking now. Right now I'll be leaving here to go to the other side. Okay, I need to pick some thread. If you guys can see, we have our thread stored inside those plastic. This particular one here, this particular plastic, this one, that's where our thread is stored for cap, and we have the rest here. So right now we'll just do that, and I will be on my way. Once I get there, I'll still vlog again so that you guys can see and learn a little bit. We also have work to do there from what I've planned now. I will start the work so you guys will see and learn whatever you can learn over there. See you at the continuation. Thank you for being here. So guys, welcome to the continuation. I'm here at the new studio doing some work. Actually, the cap I was showing you at the old place, I have started it, but right now I want to cut it. The fabric is here. I'm just trying to plan out the cutting so I can cut it as soon as possible. What I did is, when I came here in the morning, I have a meeting, so I did the meeting. We finish up with the meeting, the Zoom meeting. After the meeting, I cut some cards, some thank you card we printed long time ago. I didn't use machine to cut it, so I brought it here. I sit down to use the scissors to cut it myself, since I'm the only one here. So right now I'll be cutting this cap right now. You can see, once I turn the camera, you'll be able to see. This is like initially I picked 3, but I returned one that we have the sample here, the color. We have it here. As you can see, these are all our cap, and the way we pack it, because we are in dry season now. So right now I will be doing that. I don't know if I will be able to film a time lapse, because here I don't have a tripod yet here, but very soon things will be organized here, and we have most of the things we have at the other place to do our filming and make our work much easier, and the activities the way we want it to be. So that's that, guys. Let me continue with the process now, and I will show you how it works. See you at the other side. Don't forget to subscribe. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell, so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. Give this video a giant thumbs up. Share this video with people you know it might be of everything. And yeah, if you are interested in our online class, it's actually very much available now. We have some section we'll be doing on YouTube. It will be shared once you pay, or once you apply for your own YouTube. The link will be shared with you. It's on YouTube. The link will be shared with you because it will be there permanently. It's more easier for you using your data to watch, or maybe to download. It will be easy for you to access. That's why we take some of this process to the YouTube platform. So once any bag you are interested, just send the link to me. My WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. If you chat me in the comment section, I will reply to you. But it will not be as swift as sending a WhatsApp message. Or once you send a WhatsApp message, I will be able to reply and respond to you. And from there, we can have a chat and discuss. So from there, once you get what you want, it will be much easier for you to start once we share the links for you. And if it's personalized class, personalized class you want, it will be available. We can use Telegram, we can use WhatsApp, we can also use the YouTube platform or our website. So but I think even the personalized class, if you use the YouTube, it will be easy for you. Once we upload it there, you just add it to, we just add you there, so it will be just you on that particular video. You can watch, rewatch, download, yeah. Afterward, you can come back to get more information. Was your question? So guys, enough talking. Let me continue with the activities at the workshop here. See you at the continuation. So guys, I just finished cutting. Actually, I cut for two of those two. So right now I will be working on it. I'm using this particular machine. It's my old butterfly machine, but it's electric. I'm using it because where we are now there's 247 lights, unlike the other side that we use generator to power and support it with the solar. Here we have access, and that's the reason why we have this our machine here. So I'll be using this to make this. Once I'm done, I will come back to show you guys. These are the gum stay I'll be using. This is the lining. So once I'm done, I will show you guys. So guys, this is what I'm able to do so far. That one, this one here, actually I'm making 4. I just make these 3, but it's now for me to close to go home, so I will not be doing that. Probably if I come within the week again to this place, we'll finish up the cap. I will try my best to show you. Probably this might be what we'll be doing for this month, since I'm showing here this place. So the next time we've worked here, we've done some things, we've made some bag. If I can include the picture in this video, I will include the picture so you guys will see that we make some things and send out. Okay, that's just all for now. Let me come to in a few days, then I will finish this stuff and I will show you guys. This is a new studio so far. These are all our cap there. See you at the continuation. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch up. I'm done with all this. It took me about more than a week or 2 weeks to do this. After the last time I vlogged, I was so busy. I didn't get time to vlog, working in other places. So we are done with the cap. This one now, one of the owner came this morning to check it out. He will be coming maybe today or maybe another day to come pick it up. But I don't think today again because it's getting late here. I will soon lock up. But these are the caps. This one, this one, this one, and this one. They are not of the same size. 2 of them is 23. Then another 2 is 22. The one I make for the client is actually 22. So that's just it. Next thing we'll be doing is there's this bag I cut, a traveling bag I want to make. I'll be making this, but I will not be showing this in this month catch up. That will be next month catch up. I also have some bag here, the tiny bag we are making. The ones I've make, I show you there. I have the rest here. Everything has been gone. It's just for me to sit down and assemble it. As you can see, we have them in 3 color. We have the blue, which you can see those blue there. Then we have the purple, the main purple. Then we have this mixture of purple and white, as you guys can see, just like a snake skin, or it's glitter. It has a shine surface. It's just for me to sit down and assemble it. So next month you'll be seeing all of this and any other thing we have to do at the workshop again. So guys, this month is not too long. It's just for me talking. I do appreciate you guys for being here with us. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified. For those of you who are interested in online bag making, reach out to me. I will be subsidizing this training for this year, so a lot of you can take advantage of this and learn from it. Give this video a giant thumbs up, a giant thumbs up, share the video with people you might be of help to, then leave in the comment section down below what you think. And all these items you can see here are for sale. Anyone you want, reach out to me, just snap a screenshot, send it to my WhatsApp. The WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. You can reach me as fast as possible there, and from there you can start the conversation and make things happen. This is also a scan code you can scan to apply for our bag making. This is also our phone number. You can reach out to me there. That is also the WhatsApp number. You can also follow our Instagram from here, or you can send us an email at schoolofbagmaking@gmail.com. So that's that for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the continuation.